Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change background color in Google Sites. Basically, you won't be able to change the totally background color in Google Sites, but you can change the color of some parts. So for this purpose, what you need to do, just open any page on your screen. Then on the right side of the screen, you have the option of themes. Click on it. Then this type of page will appear. Here in custom, you have this button. Click on it. Once you click on this button, then this type of page will pop up. Here what you need to do, just give the name to your theme. So here I write test theme 1. Once you done this, then you have this next button. Click on it. Then for creating theme, click on custom colors. Then here what you need to do, tap on these 3 colors one by one and choose the colors which you want. Once you're done with this process, then you have the button of next. Click on it. Once you click on this button, then this type of page will appear. Here you need to click on create theme button. Then here you can see that theme is changed but in some parts. So this is the easiest and simplest way of changing background color in Google Sites. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.